Hello, good morning, good morning. This is Victorine. I'm doing this video from the state of Virginia, the United States. Happy Thanksgiving weekend. If I had not said so before, this is my opportunity to say happy Thanksgiving. I hope you had a good time with your family, because I did. It was lots of fun. It was an honor and a privilege to be here to celebrate with my family in the US and friends. If you are watching me, you can interact with me, and if you are watching the replay, you can just type #replay. As the topic says, I just want to share this training that I just got off a few days ago, and it's talking about steps that you can take it can help you to boost your business. As the topic says, steps that you can use to get back to your prospect when they say send me the link. When a prospect says send me the link, they must have seen what you said and they showed interest, and that's why they said send me the link. There are some things that you can do to boost your sign up ratio, because this is a business, and the more people can see a link, or the more people can act on your link, the faster you can grow your business. Success loves speed, so it is something that you want to do on a consistent base. First of all, you should have like a list. You should have a follow-up list. Your follow-up list are like the people that have seen your video, or they have seen your live, your Facebook live, and they have requested for your link. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. It's hard for me to see, but it says Lady Vivian. Thank you. I hope you are doing well. I am in Virginia. I love to interact with you, but because I am using my phone, I can't really interact with you, but share, like, and share some hearts. I love that. When you do it, I will get back to you when I finish this live. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. As I was saying, that you should have a follow-up list. Your follow-up list, for example, like this weekend is a weekend that people are home. Most of them are with family and they are just relaxing. That is a good time. Maybe you can take an hour of your day to follow up on the people that you sent your links to. This is an opportunity to increase your sign-up ratio, and also to clarify some of the doubts that they may have. You should have also something like a calendar. Place them on a calendar and pick a day in the week that is like your follow-up day. Sometimes for me, Sunday is a good day to follow up, because most people go to church on Sunday, or most people are off on Sunday, and in the evening they are home. Some of them are dreading to go back to work on Monday. That is a good day that you can use as your follow-up day. You can use a Google Calendar as a reminder to use to follow up with your prospects. The next thing, or the second thing that you can do is have your prospects tell you why they didn't take any action. Maybe the reason why they didn't take any action is because they didn't understand what they were watching. I can take my case, for example. When I first watched this opportunity that I am in now, the travel and the affiliate marketing with SAN, I didn't quite understand. And if my upline Keisha Bass did not quite follow up with me, there's no way I could have signed up. But when she followed up with me, it made sense, and I was ready to sign up. The next thing that your prospect who has requested your link may be wondering is, I don't have money, and because of that, they may not be bold enough to get back to you. So it's always good to follow up, and when you follow up with them and they say they don't have the money, you can find a way, because it is something that works, and they'll be able to come up. You give them some ideas, and just brainstorming can help you and the prospect find a way to come up with the money that they need to sign up for the opportunity. Another thing is fear. A lot of people have that fear that whatever they're watching is a scam and it might not work. I used to think like that, all these things that they are telling me online are just scams. They don't work, so I should not involve myself in them. But then when I found out more about the opportunities and what they were talking about and how it has been changing people's lives, I stepped in and I saw the reality. People are making money out of these opportunities. You are no exception. You can also make it in this opportunity. If you have the right mentorship, the right coaching, and you have a system that you can follow, like what we have now, all you do is drive in the traffic into the system, and the system does the work for you. It's an all done for you set of franchise that when you plug yourself in the system, they do the follow up for you. The next thing that I have here in my notes is, why did they ask for the link in the first place? They must have had a reason why they asked for the link. Maybe they are looking for a way to supplement their income. They are looking for maybe and they are looking for something. That's why they ask for your link. Ask them why they asked for the link in the first place. And whatever reason they give you, you should be able to help them get over that obstruction, because that's just an objection that is holding them back from seeing where they can go. So be there to help your prospect, um, to clarify their doubts and clarify their fears why they didn't look at the link or they didn't get back to you. If you call them and they still are not, if you talk to them and they are still not ready, then you can leave them and put and follow up with them maybe 3 months down the road or 6 months down the road. Things, life changes, and the person that is saying no now, maybe 3 months down the road, things may have changed in their life, and they are now um, prepared to sign up. As I said, I just got off this training. We have a team that we have training there for anybody who comes into the business. We 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 train newbies, OBs, everybody in the team is trained, and it's something that you don't have to be feeling like you are alone, because the team, when you come there, you have consent to help you. It's a done for you system. You don't have to have that fear that, what if I don't know how to follow up? What if I don't know what to say? They have everything in the system for you. All you have to do is plug into the system and it will show you what to do. If you need more information about what I am talking about or what this is all about, just comment and say, send me the link. And we are here to help you to grow your business. Whether you are not even interested in online marketing, you are just a coach, you are just a newbie, we have information, or we have all this um, material training that you can use in your offline business. You can use in your, if you are a coach, you can use that in your coaching. If you are in MLM, you can use that. So that's just my little video I wanted to shoot out for you today. If you find value, please type value and do me a favor, share this video. I'll be coming back to you later with some more information on how to, the steps that you can use to explode your business. Thank you so much for watching. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And again, enjoy your weekend. Thank you so much.